In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images into Google Calendar events. Whether you're organizing a business meeting, planning a birthday party, or preparing a family gathering, adding images can make your event details more vibrant and informative. Let's dive in and see how you can add these visual elements to your calendar events easily. First, you'll want to start by opening your Google Calendar. Head over to the Google Calendar website and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main calendar view showcasing your agenda. Now you have two options here. You can create a new event or you can edit an existing one. To create a new event, simply click the Create button that's usually located at the top left corner. This will open a form where you can enter all the details about your new event. If you're thinking of adding images to an event that already exists, go ahead and open that event. Click on the event and you'll see the details appear in a pop-up. In the top right corner, look for the pencil icon. This icon allows you to edit the event, so give that a click to open the event in edit mode. Now that you're in edit mode, scroll down until you find the description box. This is where you can add extra information about your event, and it's also where we're going to add images. To insert an image here, you'll need to click the Add Google Drive Attachment icon. It's a small icon that looks like a drive symbol, and you can find it in the toolbar above the description box. Clicking this icon will open your Google Drive. From here, navigate through your folders to find the image or photo you wish to add. Once you've located the image, select it and click Insert. And just like that, your image is added to the event description. But what if the image isn't in your Google Drive? No worries, you can insert an image link instead. To do this, click the paperclip icon labeled Insert Link. Once clicked, it'll prompt you to paste the image link. Copy your image link, which could be a publicly accessible URL directly from the web or shared link from your Google Drive, and paste it into the field. After pasting, click OK. Your image will now appear as a link in the description which participants can click to view. Don't forget the crucial final step. Click Save to ensure all your changes are recorded. Once saved, your image will be attached to your event and visible when the event is opened. This can truly transform the way you present your events, adding a more engaging, visual aspect for everyone involved. And that's all there is to it. Adding images to your events in Google Calendar is that easy. I hope you found this guide helpful and encourages you to make your calendar events more dynamic and visually appealing.